Okay, as promised, here's a look at it complete. All the areas that were compounded with the rotary and the orbital have been re-waxed. The wax has been allowed to cure, it's been buffed off. Here's the hood. Let me zoom in real quick to show you that the stuff is actually gone. As soon as this focuses, if it ever will. But you can see, it won't focus that close. But you can see how crisp the reflection of the tree is. Not hazy at all. Tops of the fenders were also affected, as was the A-pillars and the roof. The roof actually came out a little bit better than the hood. Just take a look at the tree. These side pillars here were affected. You can see the house real clearly. These flats on the quarters were just as bad. Another good tree reflection. The trunk and the spoiler were also really bad. But as you can see from like the satellite dish on the roof next door, the trees, it all came out really, really well. Don't be afraid to use a rotary if you have to. Just be careful with it and understand that you will most likely have to follow up with an orbital to clean up any minor imperfections that are created by the rotary. And that's all there is.